First open your desired browser. Now follow the steps to download the VPN. Now open your downloads folder. Run the installer file. Now go through the default installation process. Now run the app. Choose your desired location and click to connect. Let's check it's working or not.
All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.